Hey guys.
I am so obsessed. I want to chop your heart. Never did it back and it's you. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love, want to make a bad man feel.
I'm here to compare Gelato versus Printful. So I've used both of these websites, and today this video is sponsored by Gelato. If you would like to sign up for Gelato, you can get 50% off of your first order. Although that is my disclaimer that this video is sponsored by Gelato, my opinions are not biased. Each print-on-demand company has its own key points about who they serve, how they serve them, and what they have. I am basically just comparing the facts today and the quality of the shirts that I have ordered. We are on Gelato's website, so I'm going to just move myself around as much as I need to. And I want to let you guys know a little bit more about each of these brands, but I want to just give an overview of the front page. A lot of these print-on-demand sites do partner with different companies, like you see here, that you may have not known that Gelato prints things, Canva and PhotoWall, and some other companies as well. They have information about selling globally, integration, and how they have a technology-first approach. Here you see some of the sites that they integrate with as well. That's just a quick overview of Gelato. I'm going to go over to Printful, and as you can see as well, it's another print-on-demand company, and on their homepage they do talk about how many items they've shipped. They have coupon codes. They talk about how print-on-demand works and how they ship. They also have different integrations as well, and they have a few different stats of what makes them different from other print-on-demand companies and different countries that they service as well.
Here is the long sleeve shirt I ordered from Gelato. It's a classic unisex Gildan 2400 in black, sizes small through 3XL, price $13.62 USD, direct to garment front and back, fabric specs, special features, full description, full price list. And here's the long sleeve shirt I ordered from Printful. It's a men's long sleeve shirt, Gildan 2400, sizes small to 5XL, price $18.50 USD, direct to garment, front, back, outside, inside, sleeves, or embroidery, style, fabric specs, key features, full description, and shipping information.
So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the video of each shirt so you can see the quality up close and personal.